Hi, I'm Anushka. Welcome to this week's vlog. This week I've had the most difficult days of my life, and I will talk about all that in the end of this video. But I just wanted to welcome you guys to this vlog, so keep watching for all the wonderful clips from this week. I started doing some yoga because my back was really hurting me, and everyone kept telling me that I should try yoga. It will be really very helpful. So that is what I'm doing. Some Surya Namaskar.
One eternity later.
After yoga and bathing and doing my breakfast, I started doing pharmacology from Prep Ladder. I was writing the drugs which I had read yesterday, so I was putting them in a Excel spreadsheet, and I'm going to prepare a table which I can review later because I want to remember them by the groups as much as possible.
Eventually.
By then I wrote almost 630 drugs, and I printed them so that I will know how they look on paper and all the changes I have to do later. Time for the online class. We have class from 12 p.m. and obviously I had some snacks. When the lecture starts getting too boring for me, I start doing something else. Like sometimes I read or I do something else. But this time I was doing pharmacology from Prep Ladder because I wanted to finish pharmacology as much as possible. Even though the notes are quite colored, but I still like using a lot of colors because I don't know, it just looks good. And recently I have decided that I will use brown color for the drugs, and it quite works because I don't use brown color for anything else. And when I'm just going through the notes again and reviewing them, it makes it so much more easier that I know that yeah, these are the drugs which I have to remember. So yeah, that is the way. Also in my Excel spreadsheet, I have dedicated the brown color to the drugs only, so all the drugs are with brown color. I will show you it someday. Gave my eyes some rest and did some light reading from my book about pulmonology next day. I continued reading the book downstairs, and yeah, it's a lot of stuff, and pulmonology is quite interesting if you see it that way. There are a lot of concepts in pulmonology, and maybe that's the reason I like pulmonology. Good night to you. See you another day. Tuesday, 1st of December, continuing my daily routine, morning routine actually, with some yoga, Surya Namaskar actually. And I kind of really liked it, and my back was really thanking me that I did some Surya Namaskar because it really felt good actually. I most of the time sit on my chair, so yeah, it was really good that my back was not complaining all the time. You should definitely try it if you want to. Also, I will say that I don't have the most accurate pose for Surya Namaskar, but I am learning, and my sister taught me, and some of the steps are quite difficult actually. It really takes a lot of effort. It's a wholesome exercise, so you should do it.
A few inches later.
Maybe I forgot to mention that you should also watch the vlogs of the Strive to Fit. Today is Tuesday, 1st December 2020, and we have pulmonology today. And did you know that ASTHMA is pronounced as asthma and not asthma? Back with pulmonology because we had pulmonology twice this week, and also this is the only book that I have in hard book. All my books are in PDF, so I have to study either from my computer or from my mobile, and other than that I have my prep letter notes. That's all. Good morning again with some Surya Namaskar, and I don't know if I can actually do something else in the morning now because this is really amazing. It really feels amazing actually. Just some days, and my back is actually quite good. I will tell you guys that I'm not consistent with exercise. I'm like just doing this because right now I feel like I'm overweight. Not actually feel like I am actually overweight. I just checked my weight and it is more than it should be. And that is the reason I'm trying on different exercise. Whichever one will work for me, I'll just continue with that. Before Surya Namaskar, I have tried a lot of things like jogging in the morning and doing other things, but I guess nothing lasts forever. I don't know how it is possible that when I was doing it from one side, it was so much different than what I was doing from another side. I don't know if you will actually get it, but I was trying to follow a line that is on the roof from the tile and it just wasn't going all the same. So yeah, that is all I vlogged because I was so depressed emotionally. I'm such an emotional person that I let other people's opinion of me really affect me in a way that it really depresses me emotionally, physically and psychologically, and sometimes it's just difficult for me to get out of the situation. And like previously, when most of the times my emotions used to overwhelm me, I used to let them be and just flow with the flow. But now I feel like I cannot do that anymore because I have a YouTube and I am like really very committed to my YouTube, and like it really makes me want to not hide and let my emotions take a toll on me, and it really makes me want to just pull myself together and be strong and just do something that I actually love. And I'm really glad for that you guys actually, because for you guys I make this video, and it just makes me feel so happy when I have put out a vlog. And even if the vlog is not the best and I don't look my best in the vlogs, I feel like I'm a person who do not make a lot of effort to look good in my videos, and also I do not do a lot of editing and asset stuff. Like I also watched vlogs of other people and I saw the amount of efforts they do for their vlogs. You guys watch my vlog, so I am thinking of making more efforts towards my vlog, and that is something that actually brings me happiness. Whether you're tall, whether you're short, whether you're confident, whether you're not, whether you're overweight or underweight, whatever you are, just be unapologetically you. Thank you so much for watching this video. As usual, like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in another vlog of mine. Bye.